Okay, now move your head back because the video is showing. Okay, good. All right, we're about to begin the surgery now.
Don't move the mask. Don't move the mask. She's moving the mask.
Okay, that's okay. Prepare her for surgery. Put her arms out here because we're going to be working out. Leave the arms like this.
Up here.
Okay. And we'll move her leg. Apparently, this happens to a lot of these dolls. We looked on the internet. We saw that there are a lot of people having problems with this. So we have developed a way to fix it. And we already fixed our Lucky doll, right?
Right. And she can walk.
Right. She can walk and she can bend her leg only to about maybe 15, 20 degrees. But okay, now she's going to go to sleep. Give her medicine to go to sleep. Keep the mask on.
Okay.
Let me prepare.
Okay.
Move your head back. Let me prepare the surgical equipment. Hand me the scissors. Thank you, nurse.
What's the nurse?
Nurse helps me by giving me the instruments.
What are the instruments?
Instrument. This is one of the surgical instruments. Okay,
Why
wait.
do they
I have
call
to
this-
prepare the bandage.
Why do they have to do? Why are they called surgical instruments?
Okay, here's the first bandage. And
I
what
want to
we've
be in
done
charge.
is we've taken a piece of tape. We prepared it like this, duct tape. All right, now hold the mask on her leg. Put the IV. This is her IV. Put it over here so it goes into her arm. Okay, now put this, and you put the
Are we supposed
right
to
at
poke
the
it
knee
like?
joint is where you put the breaks
Are
in
we
the tape.
supposed to do it like this or poke it?
Now we'll put this
Mommy,
just
are we
enough.
supposed
Yes,
to?
you are. You are supposed to do it like that. And then we put the knee in the position that we hope it will stay. Move your hair. Move your hair. Good. Now we wrap this around here. We got to wrap it around the. Uh-oh, just a second here.
Oh no! Oh no! I have my finger too. I have my finger. I have my finger.
Uh-oh. Our assistant's finger is hurt too. Now this is just the first step. There's going to be several of these steps.
Okay. Okay. I'll do the first step.
Okay,
First
that's
step.
the first step. All right, now
My finger
let's
hurts.
prepare some more. Will you help me?
Yeah.
Will you help me? Pull the tape out, please. Hold the tape right here. Pull the tape out.
I will help.
Okay, that's good. Now what I'm going to do is cut the tape like this, and then you make
Oh no!
sort of like an H. Don't pull it.
No.
That's why it takes several steps, and you have to do it from the front and then from the back.
Oh, my finger. Oh, finger. Okay, it's okay.
Okay, now
Make sure it goes. Make
you
sure
want this
goes.
part of the tape right at the knee joint,
What's the knee joint?
right where the bottom leg and the top leg meet. And you wrap this around the bottom leg.
The bottom leg and the.
The key to this is that the doll still has pants on. And she has to know that even though she likes riding horses, she can't bend her leg all the way anymore. All right, it's starting to be stable, but we still have to do it again.
Okay.
Hold on. Another duct tape, please. Will you help me with more duct tape?
help.
Pull it out.
I can't help anymore.
Oh, you can't help anymore? One of our nurses is hurt. Oh, no.
This is the second step.
Sit down. She's actually stepping with her feet. Okay. We need to cut here. And can you make a cut?
I can help.
She's better. She can help now. Make a cut. Good.
I'm
Now
not
see how
better.
there's a place there?
I'm not better yet.
Okay. Now,
I'm
we'll
not
do it from
better.
the back again.
I'm not better.
All right. Here we go. Right at the knee joint. And then you want to wrap this.
This one does.
Careful with the scissors. About the...
I can't cut this. I wanted to cut it. Try to cut it with.
We're getting a little bit of mobility here. Okay. One more piece of tape.
Ow, my finger. Okay. Second step.
Well, now we're on the fourth step.
First step.
Good. Okay.
Oh,
Will you help me cut it?
Oh, it's my finger. Why is... I want a Band-Aid.
Okay, I'm going to give you one. Cut right here. Careful, careful. Good. You want them to be exactly the same, but
I want my finger. I need a...
just make sure that it's oriented.
I need a red
Okay, I'll give
Band-Aid.
you a red Band-Aid in just a minute. So you put this across where the knee joint would be.
Mommy, cut this. Cut this.
This is the second
I
surgery
cut
we've
this.
done today. So we decide, oh good, help me. Good.
I cut this. Mommy, cut.
Okay. Put this.
You just cut it. Now, this is gonna go
All right, now.
spit it.
Duct tape is so nice that it forms to the...
Yes.
She can only bend a little bit.
Oh, my finger. My finger. Everyone.
And then you bring her pants down and put her shoes back on. You won't even be able to tell. You just can't bend her leg all the way. And you have to be really careful of the other leg.
And this.
You don't want it to happen again.
Okay. I have my finger. You have my finger. Mommy, I have my finger. Then after that,
Then you can wrap a little wrap around it.
wrap a little round and sticky.